Few major holidays went by. Your family came over. You clean, but you know some of your family from Dusty Depot and Dirty Docks. Now they sitting all over your couch. What you gonna do? Just let them dust mites accumulate? Or you gonna get you this bed vacuum right here? Check this out. Yeah, you good now. Now you ain't gotta worry about too much of them dust mites and bed bugs they might have put all over your couch. Now you got a sidekick. You got a hero. This mattress vacuum right here.